CNBC TV 18 Global Leadership Summit, and I'm joined by Mr. Karan Johar. Thank you so much, Karan, for joining us here. At this momentous occasion when we're celebrating our 25th year, is there a message you'd like to give to the viewers of CNBC TV 18?
Well, who am I to give a message to the viewers? I think everyone's been tracking the journey of CNBC TV 18, and it's fantastic to be here on its silver wedding anniversary. I think this is truly a coming together of the most brilliant minds of the nation, and everyone's here. This is a room full of achievement, of glory, of ambition, and I'm just very privileged and humbled to be invited today.
What is that one word that comes to your mind when you think of CNBC TV 18?
Business.
Well, we've known your journey in terms of the world of cinema, in terms of business, and you've been balancing it quite well. Are there any takeaways that you have from your entrepreneurial journey?
Well, the only thing I've really learned eventually is that you can't manage everything on your own. So the two things that I always follow very religiously is that you delegate and then you trust. Those are the only ways you can actually achieve the kind of success that you set out to achieve. So you must delegate because you can't do everything on your own, and then you have to trust. That's the one learning that I have imbibed for myself and I wish to share.
Well, we're here, but we cannot not talk about fashion. Is there any fashion advice you'd like to give?
Well, be yourself. You're dressing for yourself, not the world. You're not following a trend, you're setting it. If you feel great in something you're wearing, who cares what the world has to say? If you want to go OTT with your fashion, you do it. You want to be subtle and nuanced, you do that. Whatever it is, always make your own style statement. Following Instagram and other fashion sites is not the way forward. Being what is organically your true self is what I believe fashion should be. If today I felt like wearing a corporate look, I did it. Tomorrow I want to wear something absolutely blingy and shiny, I'll do that as well.
A business advice for Gen Z?
Today the whole startup culture is phenomenal. What I love about this generation is that everyone's wanting to own their own business. They don't want to be employed, they want to employ. They want to start their own organization and business. So I think I always say, give your ambition an expiry date. Think big, but definitely know that there should be an expiry date to everything. If things are not working, then find a plan B. Plan Bs are very important.
Plan Bs are important. Lastly, we've seen the 25 years of CNBC TV 18. Where do you see from here on 25 years of India? How do you see Bollywood contributing to it, and your takeaways for CNBC?
Well, the Indian film, Indian cinema has always been a huge impressionable soft power, and I feel will continue to contribute to the social fabric of our great nation. 25 years in India, I think, is the story of the world. Everyone's looking in India, everyone's investing in India, everyone is looking at a potential collaboration with India, and I think we're at the brink of world breakthrough, and I'm really excited that I'm around this moment that India is going through. We're truly shining.
Lastly, a word on your partnership with Mr. Aadar Poonawalla, which was the biggest news of late.
Well, I think two like-minded people, two friends, two people who have a large vision came together, and I'm very humbled that Aadar chose me to partner with, and I'm very happy to represent this partnership along with him today on this prestigious platform. Aadar and Natasha have been dear friends of mine for about over 2 decades now, and I'm glad that I believe in relationships, I believe in dunyadari, I believe in that relationships really can take journeys ahead, and I'm glad that our friendship and relationship is taking our story at Dharma Productions ahead.
Well, we'll be looking forward to that, and thank you so much once again for joining us here on the 25th anniversary. Thank you.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.